Hello dear students. In yesterday's session we had seen one poem, right? We understood one poem, Mr. Nobody. I hope you all have enjoyed that poem. In today's session, first we will understand one grammar lesson. Lesson number 26, okay? Understanding words. In that lesson, we will understand different things. For example, first we will know about homophones, then we will know some similar words, then some opposite words, then we will know some rhyming words also, then you will also understand about silent letters, okay, and how to frame different words from the letters given in one word. So these all many different topics we will learn in today's English session. So pay attention carefully and watch videos properly and then complete exercise in grammar textbook. Okay, so let's start our today's English session. Students, you have already seen in videos that what is homophones? Homophones means some words that sound alike but have different spellings and different meanings, right? Which has same sound, same pronunciation, but their spellings are also different and their meanings are also different. So here open your grammar textbook, lesson number 26, understanding word, and page number 74. See, A. Words often confused. The words which are often confused us. See, first exercise. Some words sound alike but have different spellings and different meanings. Underline such words in the following sentences and write them in the given spaces. Here some sentences are given. In these sentences, some words are homophones. We have to find out this type of words and then we have to write these words here. Now see, here I am reading these lines. First, there are some lovely rose bushes in their garden. Here which words are homophones? See, there. These two words are homophones. Their pronunciation are same, right? But their spellings are different and their meaning are also different. There means there, वहाँ पे. There, उसका, right? Uske. So here we will write first THERE, there, and then THEIR, there. Second sentence is, the noise here is so loud that I cannot hear anything. Which word? Here. This here means here, यहाँ पे. And this here means listen, sunna. So here, 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 and HEAR, here. Third, the maid has made a beautiful design. Maid. This maid means the lady who work in our house. She is known as maid. And this maid means banana, right? To make, past tense of made. Make. So, maid, 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 and MADE, made. Fourth, a man wearing a blue coat blew the trumpet. First, blew and blew. Both words. Blue means color blue and blue means past tense of blow, right? Trumpet, blow, bajana. The money was kept safe in a steel almirah, so the thief could not steal it. Here steel. This steel is metal. right? And this steal means to steal means churana, right? Thief steal. So first steal is metal and this is steal, churana. Sixth sentence. Neha is very weak, but she will be alright in a week's time. Here which word? Find out. Correct. Weak. W-E-A-K, weak means when we are sick we feel weak, right? But this week means 7 days in a week, this week, right? 7. She became India number 1 in badminton when she won the final match. 1 means 1, right? This one means 1 and this one means past tense of win, jitna, right? Winner hona. So 1 and 1. Both spellings are different, both meanings are also different, right? So this is our exercise A. Now let's see exercise B. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Select words from the pairs given in the brackets. Here we have to find, here 2 words are given. We have to read the sentence and we have to find out which word is correct to put here. These toys are very blank to me. I like them very much. Deer or deer, which deer will come? Yes, this one, because this deer is an animal. But this deer means I like this. So this deer. Second, are you sure your answer is blank? Right or right? Which right will come? Yes, this right means correct and this right means likhna. So, R-I-G-H-T, right. I am in section A. Smriddhi blank is in section A. Which two will come? This two or this two? This two means wo bhi and this two means do. So which two will come? These two. Smriddhi bhi. Right? So 2. Okay. Then see here. I do not want to blank any of this dress. Right? So which word will come? I do not buy or buy. If you want to buy, you want to purchase, then which buy you will write? This one. Okay, this buy means Tata. Okay, so I want to B-U-Y buy. I want to buy any of these dresses. Fifth, please blank for a few minutes. Wait, which wait will come? This wait. Okay, because this weight is of your weight. My weight is 50 kg. हमारा weight कितना है वो weight वाला ये right, but weight करना, so this weight. So write here weight. The king was sitting on a blank. किसके ऊपर? Throne or throne? Yes, this one. This throne मतलब फेंकना. But this throne, right? मतलब सिंहासन. Ships blank on the sea. Ships blank on the sea. Which sail? This or sail this? Yes, this one. ये तो शॉप में जो सेल लगती है वो है. Ships sail. Okay. So these blanks you have to write. Now exercise B. Similars. 16 words are given below. Make 8 pairs of words with similar meanings and write them in the boxes. See, here 16 words are given. In these 16 words, we have to make 8 pairs. Means two words have similar meaning. So we have to find out that two similar meanings and we have to write it here. So let's start from big. Big. What is the opposite similar meaning of big? Big, big with large. So we will cut like this. So it is easy for us to find out. First we will write here big and then we will write here large. Okay. Then second word glad. Glad means happy. So we will write it here glad and happy. Okay. Then third tidy. Tidy means clean. So we will write here tidy and similar meaning is clean. Okay. Then which word? Tiny. Tiny means small. So tiny and small. We will write two similar words like this. Tiny. So which is the similar word of tiny? Small. Okay. Next word. See here. Start. Start means begin. Shuru karna. So this both word we will write it here. Start and similar word is begin. Next. Then right. Right. Which is the similar meaning of right? Correct. Okay. So right. Similar meaning of right is correct. Okay, next finish. Finish means complete. So we will write here finish and then complete. Both words are similar with similar meaning. And then which words remain? Stupid, foolish. So these two words are also similar. Stupid and foolish. So you have to remember big, large, glad, happy, tidy, clean, tiny, small, start, begin, right, correct, finish, complete, stupid, foolish. Okay. So these words are similars. Okay. Now let's see opposite. See. Solve this puzzle by filling in the opposites of the given words. Now see here. Here puzzles are given. Okay. So we have to find it out. Kind. One number. What is the opposite of kind? Cruel. So CRUEL. Cruel. Second, beautiful. What is the beautiful opposite of beautiful? Ugly. 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 Okay. Then light. So what is the opposite of light? Fifth number. Heavy. 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 Okay. Then full. What is the opposite of full? Empty. 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 Okay. Then see here. Third, weak. What is the opposite of weak? Strong. 3 number. STRONG. Already some letters are given. So you have to fill up some letters only which are missing in that opposite word. Deep. What is the opposite of deep? Shallow. SHLLOW. Shallow. Fresh. Fresh. Stale. So STALE. And late. What is the opposite of late? Early. EARLY. So these are opposite words. Now see in B. Write words with opposite meaning and find those words in grid and circle them. Now see. What is the opposite of right? Wrong. Okay, first let's write and then we will find it out. Right, wrong. Sharp, blunt. If you can see here, then you can circle also. See, wrong is here. Right, wrong. Then sharp, blunt is here. B-L-U-N-T, blunt. Okay, then difficult. What is the opposite of difficult? Easy, correct. Easy. So, where is easy? See, here is easy. Easy. Then long. What is the opposite of long? Short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. See here, short is here. Useful. What is the opposite of useful? Useless. Useless. Where is useless? Here. Useless. Then many. So what is the opposite of many? Few. Come. Many means zyada. Few means come. See here. Few. Hard. Soft. Soft. Okay. Find out soft here. Where is soft? S-O-F-T. Soft. Vertical and horizontal, both side you have to find out. Open, shut. S-H-U-T. Right? Shut is here. S-H-U-T. Shut. Okay, you first find out by your own and then see the answer. Old. Young, old. So, where is old? See here, old is here. Then, first, last. First, last. Where is last? Here. Okay. And then reach, poor. Reach, poor. Where is poor? Here. Sorry. You use the scale. Okay. So these are opposite words. Try to remember it. Now students, see here in D, formation of words. What you have to do, using the letters of the given words, form as many words of 2 or more letters as you can. Here some words are given. In these words, different letters are used. So what we have to do, we have to form new words from this letter. For example, here B-R-E-A-D, bread. So from bread, these letters, which different words we can make? Read, bead, read, bed, ear, dear, bear, dare, bear, are. Okay, so I am giving you some, right now I am giving you some example. Then you frame it by your own and then in answer I will send you many words. Here I am giving you some example. For example, heart. So from heart, which different words you can make? Ear, then eat. Okay, ear, E-A-R, then eat, E-A-T. Then rat. Okay, these are some 3-letter word. Then you can make water. No, sorry, not water, but you can make here. Then heat. Okay, then tear. The. Many more words you can make. Now see here, weather. So from weather you can make water, there, tear, then there, right? Then tree, now make some more words you also by your own. Then computer, so from computer, put, come, then true, then cure. Okay, these different words you can make from computer. Many more words you also frame, but you frame it by your own. Then next word, stream. Stream means you all know पानी का जो जाता है stream, right? Then see, from stream which words you can make? Eat, tea, mat, team, then master, right? You also frame some more words. Here I am giving you some examples only. Try to make some more words. Then from teacher, which word you can make? Cheer, hear, eat, tea, rat, hat. Okay, likewise you frame some more words. So this is the exercise D. Now see exercise E. Okay, here hidden words. Find at least 2 hidden words in the following words. Here one word is given. You have to find out 2 hidden words from in this word. Okay, for example, brown. So in brown, which 2 words are there? First word is row. And second word is, which word? Own. Right? Then in balloon, which 2 words are? All, ball. Okay? See, B-A-L-L ball, and if we remove B, A-L-L all. Then golden. So gold and den. You can also frame old also. Okay? Then address, add and dress. 2 words, add and dress. Then father. So fat, her, at, right? This word you can make. Okay. Then the also you can make the, the. Okay. Now in F, form 8 pairs of rhyming words and write them in the boxes below. What we have to do? We have to find out 8 pairs of rhyming words. So which 8 pairs are there? Rhyming words. Let's find out. First, key. What is the rhyming word of key? Knee. Okay, so remove key and knee and write it here in first. Key, knee. Then second word. Which word? Late. Late. So with late, which word you will write? 8. Late, 8. Then said. With said, which word you will write? Said. Find out. Had. Said, had. Said, had. Okay. Then fair, there. Fair, F-A-I-R, fair. T-H-E-R-E, there. Cut, we have already cut. Okay, fifth word. Here, here, near. Here, near. Okay, sit, meet. Sit, meet. Then such, touch. Such, touch. Okay, and then write, bright. Which word? Write, bright. So these words are rhyming words. So when we speak, we feel that both words are ending with same word. Okay, late, ate, said, had, fair, there, right, bright, such, touch, sit, meet, here, near, key, knee. Okay, so these words are known as rhyming words. Now see words with silent letters. See, in some word, in some letters are there. We write that letter, but we could not speak that letter when we pronounce that word. So that letters are known as silent letter, that which we write that letter, but we do not speak that letter when we speak the word. For example, this is which word? Climb. So here we will write B. But when we pronounce climb, we do not speak B. Climb. Okay. Then likewise second word is comb. So here also B. Comb. But we do not speak B. Comb. Then doubt. D-O-U-B-T. But we do not pronounce B. Doubt. We speak only doubt. Then palm. Right, this portion we call it palm. So P-A-L-M, palm. Then chalk, C-H-A-L-K, but we speak only chalk, not chalk. Okay, we speak chalk, but here L is silent. We do not speak it, we only write it. Then should, S-H-O-U-L-D, should, L is silent letter. Then knee. In knee we write here K. We do not speak K. We only write K. Then no. We do not speak. We only write K. Do not speak K. Then here neat. K-N-I-T. Neat. Okay. Then right. W. Wrong. W is a silent. And here two. T-W-O. So these all words which we have written here are silent letters.